To disclose or not to disclose? I am happy to say that after being involved in residential real estate since 2008, I have never had a lawsuit, and neither have any of the sellers or buyers that I've represented. Disclosing anything that has ever been replaced, modified, added, or currently in need of repair is very important and will help keep you out of litigation. And it's a must to go over all the disclosures prior to listing and putting your home in the multiple listing service, and especially prior to a buyer seeing the home. We want them to have previously viewed the disclosures prior to making an offer. This is something that's actually required to be delivered to the buyer prior to writing an offer, or no later than 3 days from going under contract. So if your HVAC is 30 years old, your water heater is leaking, or you live close to a military base, these should be disclosed to the best of your ability. One of my comments to my clients is actually, if you have to ask me if you should disclose it, most likely the answer is yes, you want to disclose. Over-disclosure is actually always better than under-disclosure and will keep you out of the courtroom. You want the buyer to know anything and everything about the home. When you disclose properly, you don't have to worry about them coming back later and telling you that they want to go to court or they want to extract more money out of you for X, Y, and Z repairs. So disclose, disclose, disclose. If you're thinking about selling, give me a call. I have helped hundreds of people just like you in the area and would love to help you too. As always, I'm Solaita with Fathom Realty, and I hope you have an amazing day.